So today we're going to unbox this Poco X3 NFC. Welcome back to my channel. This is David here. This is the phone that is under 1,000 ringgit. Imagine how cheap was that. You can get a Poco 6GB RAM and 128 ROM. Oh, interesting. My friend got one cobalt blue. So let's do this unboxing, and thanks for sponsoring from QZ Boy. Finally. So let's do the unboxing. 1,000 ringgit phone. See what's inside. Will I drop the phone? Plop plop. Oh. So what you have here is a Poco invited by Poco. So you have no idea what is Poco. It's actually their sub-branding from Xiaomi. And I guess this is a casing for your phone and some instruction menus over here. This is the casing and the SIM ejector tools over here. So this is the phone. Oh, let me be sure. So what you have here is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and 120Hz. 6.67 Full HD. Full HD? Okay. So it's a quite good refresh frame rate for a phone. Then shall I unbox it? And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras over here, and this is definitely a cobalt blue color phone. So try not to mess up with this. Try to push it out. Can I put here? Oh, the sponsor is so good. Should I drop the phone? No idea. Woo! Blue color. And what you can see here is a Poco phone. So that's the unboxing. This is the side. And what do we have here is, can it come up? You have the cable, Type-C, and you have the charger. This is how many milliwatts hour? I have no idea. So there you have it. This is the Poco phone unboxing. There you go. And the screen protector has already applied, and stickers over here. There's another sticker over here. Then this is the charging phone. It feels good. Not bad. Okay, I'll pass it to my friend first. So see you.